Hey guys, so today is gonna be a really cool day because we are going to PAPHOS for the whole day, and I'm gonna make a cool vlog about it, and it's gonna be really much adventures. Just packing up right now before leaving, so it's so cool to finally go to PAPHOS. It's been 3 months and I haven't been there yet, so stay tuned. We are going on an adventure.
Yeah, we are.
I can't even see myself.
You can't see yourself.
Nope, because it's too dark. We got this, we got this. Yes. Wow, it's so zoomed in. I just gonna fix that a little bit and now I can talk. Woo! We are ready for PAPHOS at this moment and it's gonna be awesome. We had to stop for a little bit of food, and of course we chose McDonald's, you know, out here. That's just how it should be, starting out with some McDonald's. We got it.
Yeah, at the end of the song.
Wait until you get up on the mountain. You didn't have to pay, but I think you have to pay €7 maybe this time. Oh, maybe.
Okay, we have finally reached PAPHOS. And it's really nice here. There's some really nice views. Now we're trying to find a road up to the mountains instead, because we're going to this special bath area. What was it again?
ADONIS Baths.
ADONIS Bath. Yes, exactly, that place. It's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be so beautiful and taking a lot of pictures. See you there. So guys, we finally made it to the waterfall. This is the parking lot. Not much to see here right now. But soon we are gonna go on this little path up here and go to the waterfalls. It's gonna be really cool. And also we are joined by a little caddy.
Look at the dust on my car.
No.
So we found the statue of Aphrodite up here. Really cool. And we're gonna have a photo shoot, I guess. So here we have the statue of Zeus. Really nice view. We're finally at the waterfalls, so we're just gonna have a quick bath and maybe finish up with some lunch. So now we're back from the bathing. Really cool place, wasn't it? Yeah? And also now we're gonna make some cool drone shots of this awesome location we have here. So this is just the beginning of a really cool journey. Now we've been driving around in PAPHOS for how long?
20 minutes?
20 minutes. We're still looking for a place to go, and they have big problems finding out where to go. And I have no clue either. I don't know what's going on. But we're trying to solve it. I want a coffee right now. But yeah. Before we crash, I'm just gonna say I love you guys. Okay, I'll update you when we get there.
Safe pass for the King's Wall.
Has everyone got a seatbelt on because we're gonna die?
Hi guys, so we're at King's Mall apparently. After the ride we had for a long time. Are we excited? We're excited. We're excited for shopping. Nicole, excited? Yes, she's excited also. We're gonna shop around a little bit and see what they have. There's a lot of things. I'm excited. I'm of course gonna check out Jack and Jones because that's my life. Always go there. Of course, the girls been shopping now on the first little tour. So, well, I'm trying to record myself. Going great. Hello. I did not buy anything in my shop, but maybe later. So I found the problem. The problem was that I had manual focus on. I don't now. So much better. I also have to say that the guy in Jack and Jones, he was really cool because we were talking about cameras and asking which camera I have. So shout out to this guy because we had a really nice conversation. So now before we leave this center, we're actually gonna go into a place called Jumbo. This is where I spent all my money last time. Hopefully I don't spend as much this time. What do you think, guys? Do you believe me?
You're gonna spend loads.
You think so?
I'm there, you're going to be spending
Oh no, I don't want to be spending more. Well. Uh-oh. There's the entrance. Let's go. So this is Jumbo, guys. So much stuff. Oh no. There's so much stuff in here. I just felt that I had to buy this also because the one I have already doesn't work as it should. That's a big problem right now because I cannot put my phone on it because it's faulty. So, legit buy. That means that my buy is justified. Magic. Yeah.
A few moments later.
That's the universal rule there.
It's been a very busy day, and the food at the last place, as it was called, Fat Mama, very strange place. We're now at the harbor, and just to finish up this video, we're gonna have some ice cream, and after that we're gonna have our nice trip back home to sleep. But it's been an amazing day here in Paphos. I can make more videos about this later on, but this is just a small update before we close down the video.